to discuss about chapter number 2, evolution of transport and communication. So what is mean by evolution? We already learned in chapter number 1, evolution means so development or a change in something. Development or change in something. In this video, we are going to see the first part of the chapter, which is nothing but evolution of transport. What is meant by transport? Transport, act of carrying something or goods or even transporting people from one place to another is called transport. So once again repeat, transportation is an act of carrying goods or something or even transferring people from one place to another. So we saw what is transport. Then we are going to see why. Why do we need transportation? So we need transportation to enable communication, to help communication, to help in trade and to have other forms of exchange between peoples. So transportation helps in communication, trade and exchange of goods between people. So that is why we need transportation. And third thing, we are going to see how transportation got evolved. So we have a story in your textbook. So we started with the domestication of animals. In last chapter we discussed in the Neolithic period, in the prehistoric period, we saw people domesticating the animals for their purpose. So the people started domesticating horses, and the people who lived in deserts domesticated camels for traveling from one place to the another. So the people started carrying lots and lots of goods. So later they started realizing, why can't we use these logs for making wheels? So they discovered wheels for vehicles. Slowly in 1825 trains were introduced, and in 1885 cars were introduced. So this is how the transportation has evolved. So moving on to the next is types of transportation. We have three important types: land transport, water transport and air transport. Is advantages. As the transportation evolved, the travel time has been completely reduced. On to the next is the demerits. The demerits is nothing but disadvantages of transportation. So one major disadvantage in all the transport is pollution. We can't avoid pollution. As the technologies goes, as we have the advantages, we may also have disadvantages as well. So we have to tackle both advantages and disadvantages side by side. So one major demerit is pollution. Other major disadvantage and demerit is the cost of travel. With this, I will complete today's class. And now we are going to open your Social Studies Studio Volume 1 and try solving exercise 2.1 to 2.6 from page 22 to 30. After completion, post your completed exercise back in your WhatsApp group, and see you soon tomorrow.